So today I got a few calls, maintenance, some no cool calls. I'm gonna replace the drain line, and we'll get some stuff fixed, maybe learn something. So hope you enjoy. We got some stuff out. I'm not vacuuming it too. Cleaners here. Alright, so that was just pretty routine maintenance. Couldn't really say too much in there. People were sleeping right next to the air conditioner, so kind of weird, but anyways, it's done. I installed that unit years ago and check it twice a year, so it's still running good. It's got UV lights on it, and stays pretty clean, so off to the next one. All right, so this job, this is a drain line repipe. It's a new customer for me. She had somebody install the AC. It's been backing up, leaking everywhere. Whoever installed this AC doesn't do a very good job. They've installed the air handler lower than the drain going into the wall, which is causing multiple traps. And I'm going to just repipe this whole system. She purchased a clear view trap, so I'm going to use that for her. She insisted, so I think it'll work. Here we go. So you can see they pretty much have this level, and where the drain line hit the wall, it was causing a trap. Got a safety switch didn't have before, and I'm gonna run the new line down across the garage, out the wall. So here's the finished product. It's got access to both sides of the trap. Put a new safety switch on there, so if it fills up, it will shut down the system. Hopefully no more floods. Heat bent the drain line, ran it across the steps and out the wall. You can see it's draining pretty good. Problem solved. All right, so that went pretty smooth. Got the new drain line cut in there and safety switch installed. I also changed the return grill because they had unscrewed every time. It was just this guy who installed this. He was not a good guy. But anyways, problem solved and customers happy. It's draining good too. All right, so this next call is a no cooling call. It won't cool below 81 degrees, so I guess it's running enough. My guess is probably a float switch or plug drain line, something like that. Let's check it out and see. Alright, so that call didn't go how I thought. It's a Goodman unit, and one thing Goodman does good is they leak. So as you see in that video, it was a short clip. The customer was there the whole time, standing over me, so I couldn't film too much or say too much. But the evaporator coil is leaking. You can see oil stains, and subcooling was like 4 degrees. So I added some gas for now. We're gonna get them a quote for a coil and replacement. All right, thanks for watching.